Hello everyone. So today we will talk about complicated cataract. The complicated cataract occurs secondary to some intraocular diseases. Now, due to this intraocular disease, all these diseases we are going to discuss about, they hamper the nutrient supply to the lens. Now, lens nutrient supply is derived from the aqueous surrounding it. So we have aqueous surrounding the lens and vitreous posteriorly, but the main supply comes from the aqueous. So any inflammatory condition of the aqueous hampers the nutrient supply to the lens, and this leads to the complicated cataract because of decreased supply of nutrient to the lens. So the first cause being inflammatory, that is uveitis, and the anterior uveitis is the most common cause of complicated cataract. The other causes being glaucoma, primary and secondary. Again, in these cases, the increased IOP hampers the flow of aqueous and hence disturbs the nutrient supply to the lens. The third cause being intraocular tumor. Here also there is same pressure effect as in the case of glaucoma. These intraocular tumor include retinoblastoma and melanoma. We have other causes too, like retinal detachment and retinopathy, but these are the important ones. Now, in clinical feature, we see a posterior subcapsular cataract, and this posterior subcapsular cataract has two special feature. That is a breadcrumb appearance that you are seeing in this image. Okay, and the another feature is polychromatic cluster, means seeing there is appearance of number of colors like blue, white, green, and this is a characteristic feature, and this is why it is known as rainbow cataract. Okay, the other feature being the if this is the posterior subcapsular cataract with a breadcrumb appearance, the posterior cortex is diffuse, has diffuse yellow haze. Okay, and later on this complicated cataract spreads in all direction and makes the lens completely opaque. So this is what we needed to know about complicated cataract. Thank you for watching.